Welcome to Trip Hack Hub, where we help you travel smarter, spend less, and experience more. One for the comments. What's your biggest travel mistake so far? We've all got one, share it below. You have likely seen people posting photos in lie-flat business class seats and wondered how they afford it. The secret is rarely a high salary. It is almost always a strategy called point stacking. Most beginners make the mistake of using a single card for everything. They end up with a few thousand points scattered across 3 different banks. Those points are effectively worthless because they cannot be combined. The first rule is to pick one bank ecosystem and stick to it. If you have cards from 3 different banks, you are diluting your earning power. When you concentrate your spending on a single program, you build a massive pile of points that can be transferred to airline partners. This is where the real value lives. If you book a flight through a bank portal, you are essentially using your points like cash. That is the worst way to use them. You want to transfer those points to a partner airline. A flight that costs $600 in cash might only cost 20,000 points if you transfer them to a partner. That is how you get 3 cents of value per point instead of 1 cent. You need to look for high sign-up bonuses. This is the fastest way to jump from 0 to a free flight. Many travel credit cards offer 60 to 90,000 points just for hitting a spending requirement in the first 3 months. You do not need to spend extra money to hit these. Just move your rent, your groceries, and your utility bills onto the card. If you are worried about interest rates, pay the balance off every single Friday. Do not wait for the statement date. If you carry a balance, the interest you pay will erase the value of the points you earn. Credit card companies rely on you paying interest. Treat the card like a debit card that just happens to have better perks. Now, what about the actual cards? You want one that earns at least 3 points per dollar on travel and dining. If your current card gives you 1 point for every dollar on everything, it is time to upgrade to a better product. Look for cards that offer annual travel credits. Many premium cards charge a $400 fee, but give you a $300 travel credit immediately. That makes the true cost of the card only $100. If you use the lounge access or the free check bags that come with the card, you are actually coming out ahead of what you paid. Always check the transfer partners before you apply for a new card. If you want to fly a specific airline to your favorite destination, make sure your bank points can actually be transferred to that airline. There is nothing worse than having 200,000 points in an ecosystem that does not work with your preferred carrier. Travel hacking is not about spending more. It is about shifting your existing spending to a vehicle that rewards you with travel. It takes a few hours of research to set up your portfolio, but it pays for itself in the first year of travel. Stop letting the banks keep your rewards money. Start moving your expenses over to a travel-focused card today and watch your points balance grow while you sleep. Quick but important travel hack. Set up your eSIM before you fly. This is where most travelers make a costly mistake. They land in a new country and suddenly realize they have no data, no Google Maps, no Uber, no way to message their hotel, and no way to translate anything. You're standing in an airport, tired, possibly jet-lagged, trying to find Wi-Fi just to figure out your next move. That's not how you want to start your trip. Here's the smarter move. Set up an eSIM before you even leave home. An eSIM is a digital SIM card built right into your phone. Instead of swapping physical SIM cards, you just download a plan, scan a QR code, or install via an app, and activate it in your phone settings. That's it. No stores, no waiting in airport kiosks, no dealing with language barriers. The moment your plane lands and you turn off airplane mode, you're connected instantly. Having data right when you land means you can open maps immediately, call a ride in seconds, contact your hotel, check bookings, and navigate public transit without getting lost or overpaying for taxis. And roaming charges from your home carrier can be insanely expensive. eSIMs are usually a fraction of the price, especially for short trips. We've tested a lot of options, and our go-to providers are Saily and Iralo. They're reliable, easy to set up, and cover most countries around the world. Quick tip: install and activate your eSIM before your flight, but only turn it on when you land so you don't waste any data time. We've put links to the best eSIM providers, along with other travel companies we use, in the description below. Using those links doesn't cost you anything extra, but we do earn a small commission, and that support helps us keep this channel running and keep making helpful travel videos for you. Curious what you'd say to this one? What's the best travel hack you've ever used? Tell us in the comments. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to Trip Hack Hub for more travel hacks. Now check out this next video. It's the one most travelers wish they watched before their last trip.